going on, guys? Checking in with you on this miserably hot 4th of July. I've just pulled in the driveway after a long day at work here. Thought I'd check in with you guys. I haven't really put much out the last couple weeks other than my my slam video. Working on some stuff here, but first of all, I want to tell everybody happy 4th of July. Have a safe 4th of July, and may everybody keep all their fingers or their toes or whatever appendages you're using to set off fireworks. But with that being said, like I was saying, I haven't put out a whole lot lately. I've been working on some new stuff. I got some new videos in the works. I got some unboxing videos coming up. I got some other product reviews coming up, and Audiopipe is going to be sending me some cool new products to unveil to you all. So keep your eye out for these upcoming videos and that sort of thing. Really no updates on the Blazer right now. Still trying to iron out all the kinks in it. Found out a few issues, nothing major from Slam. So I've been doing a little bit of work to it, tweaking that out, and got a couple of shows coming up. I'm going to be hitting with that, and hopefully I can have those little problems worked out and really get that thing playing to the best of its ability. Let's see here, what else am I trying to think of here? So new products, new videos. Oh yeah, we got a contest coming up. This is for all you Audiopipe only people. We got a cool contest coming up. We're still working out all the details on it, but once we know all the details, we will be announcing the rules and all that stuff and the deadlines for this contest. But I will say it is a pretty cool reward, and you will be getting your reward at Slamology 2019. So I will give you just a little bit of hint. Start putting your building skills to the test. Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. At least we do anyways. So stick around for that. You know, like I said, more videos coming up, especially more Blazer videos now that getting some things worked on that. And other than that, guys, I can't think a whole lot of anything else right now. Like I said, just wanted to check in. Haven't put much out in the last couple of weeks. Been busy. Keep your eyes on the Audiopipe pages. I will be announcing the contest, what it's about and what the rules will be for that. And like I said, keep watching. Make sure you hit that notification button or that bell, so when I upload my videos, you get to watch them, especially with the contest. I'll be announcing the contest, so make sure you hit that button. And you know, like I said, do some new unboxings, product reviews, and some new product reveals coming out. So until next time, guys, bass on.